2016?
2016 Mercury Pro Xs 4-stroke.
Yeah, it's flying.
What's that 20-pound test you put on?
Yeah, that was a snook. I jigged it a couple times and then he hammered it. It's a good fish.
Awesome.
I was thinking it was a jack at first the way he ran, but it's gonna be a 20-inch red. It's not gonna be huge. Oh, I'm trying not to horse him since I have 20. What the heck? Is it a red? Yep, that's a nice one. It's probably 21. Going against the current feels bigger. It's dark.
Yeah, he's chunky. Way to go.
Do you think we'll get a bigger one?
Yeah, with live well. Well, I got this.
Do you know how to keep it running all day?
Yeah.
He's fat.
He is.
He's not very long, but he's fat as hell. Probably only 21 or 20, 21.
Yeah.
21, but like a fat, like a 25.
Yeah. Yeah.
Imagine if he was 26.
Yeah. There's pliers there.
It's that easy. You walk away and there's already a redfish on. Another big one. Look at that. They're schooled up. I told you they're going to be here. We just got to wait it out. Mine swallowed it. I'm going to have to tie a new leader. Yours is bigger than mine.
Pretty good one, yeah. Grab it. Oh, throw that in the line. Live well too, I think. Second one in. Grab that, yeah.
Yeah. I knew we'd get him here. Another 22. 21. Yours is 22 and a half.
He's an inch or two bigger.
There you go.
Yeah. It's
Nice.
a good start to the day.
Hell yeah. You just needed me to show you.
Awesome.
Yeah, 22 and a half, just like I said. Look at that.
Yeah.
22 and a quarter. 22 and a half. My camera was recording the whole time. They say this is a baby red. This is what they're usually schooled up like. 17, 18 usually. That's a sheep head. Or is it a drum? It's a little baby drum. That's weird. What's he doing in the shallow?
That is weird. Huh. Eating shrimp. Falling around the mullet.
It looks like a mullet.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know. Good little guy. That's a snook. Yeah. It's like the smallest snook I've ever seen.
Look at that. Baby bear, that's crazy.
I've never even caught a barracuda in Crystal River.
Yeah, I've never seen one in here.
I've only seen the 6-footers out at the reef.
That's crazy.
Barracuda! Looks like a baby ladyfish. Felt like a snook when he hit. Maybe it's a jack. That's a jack. He's way too. Look how fast he is. I was hoping it was a snook, but it didn't jump. Fun. They hit it so fast.
Yeah, they slam it.
First cast snook. Baby snook.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
This is like a ladyfish snook.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah.
Wow, you almost just got a hook in your face.
There we go. Yeah.
He's little though. That was a fast take. It's a redfish though.
Red. Yeah.
Well, they're a redfish. I know the other one was bigger than that.
They're here.
There we go. I know the other one was bigger than this one. That's all I know. So, it was definitely a red. There, I got one on it right now. Yep, there he goes. You watching? Hey, he's dead weight. He's on. Yep, there's fish over there. There's little now. There's nothing like that first set I had. Look at these little dinks. Got me another one. Another dinky one. This is what happens when you start using shrimp. Too bad he wasn't just a trout so I could finish my slam. But it's how you rig the shrimp, they like it. I don't like the jig head either. Look at that little thing. See, all the ones I caught in Yankeetown were a lot bigger than that. They're all exactly 18 inches, so they're fun size.
What kind of hook?
Well, they're schooled up. I'm getting one second hits the water.